Hello everyone, welcome to Maju Catering Services. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make healthy banana smoothie. And this is the ingredients you need. You need 1 orange, 2 bananas, Greek yogurt, honey, whole milk, peanut butter, and you divide the orange into 2 and you squeeze it. But if you don't have squeeze, you can use your hand to make it. I'm thanking my old subscribers, and if you are new here, you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, like, subscribe and press the notification bell there. And please don't forget and leave your comment on my comment section. And you take the juice aside and you peel your banana. Please like my Facebook, follow my Facebook, and share my Facebook. You can also comment there for me. Cut it into pieces and you put into your blender. You are going to use it. Please don't forget to follow me on Instagram. And you add all your ingredients to it. Please don't forget to like, subscribe to my YouTube channel, please. This smoothie is natural, so it's very good. Anytime you make it, try to give some to your children. It's very healthy. And you blend until smoothie. And check how it looks. Please don't forget to follow Facebook, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and follow me on Instagram. And you pour into the glass you are going to use, and this is how it looks. Thanks for watching Maju Catering Service.